Okay, I have this perfect vision of a turkey sandwich. Should look like that. Okay, be right back. I gotta cook these. Say, Put this aside to rest for a minute. I'm gonna prep my turkey. I'm choosing Swiss cheese. Oh my gosh, finally. I'm just gonna use 2 little tomatoes. I feel like every turkey sandwich needs lettuce. Look at these cute little cucumbers. These are all my ingredients for my turkey sandwich. Time to assemble it. Primal Kitchen came out with this special sauce. That's good. Next, my lettuce, tomatoes. This side, I'm gonna add my turkey. Now just my little baby cucumbers. I feel like I need one of those stick things. Like when you go to restaurants and they put a stick in the middle. Salt. Woo! Come back to watch me eat it.